Welcome to Culinary Journeys and Classic Rides, the channel where sizzling recipes meet timeless flavors. Today, we're diving into the world of fine dining with a dish that turns an ordinary evening into something unforgettable. Have you ever sat at a restaurant, looked down at your plate and thought, how do they make it look and taste this perfect? That's the magic of Michelin-Star cooking. But here's the secret. With the right techniques, you can recreate it right in your own kitchen. Today, we're making a Michelin-inspired seared steak with truffle butter and roasted vegetables. It sounds intimidating, but I promise, it's easier than you think. We start with the cut, a well-marbled ribeye because flavor starts with quality. The pan is searing hot, and as soon as the steak hits, it sings. That sound is music to every foodie's ears. We baste with butter, garlic, and fresh thyme, letting the flavors soak deep into the meat. Here's where the twist comes in. Most people stop at searing, but the Michelin method is about layering. We add a touch of truffle butter at the end, and suddenly the aroma transforms the dish from a simple steak into something extraordinary. The vegetables, roasted low and slow with olive oil and rosemary, are no side act. They're part of the experience. When it all comes together on the plate, it doesn't just look beautiful, it tastes like luxury. And the best part? You didn't need a reservation, a tuxedo, or a five-star restaurant. Just your kitchen, a little patience, and the passion to create. So the next time you want to surprise your guests, or even just treat yourself, remember, fine dining isn't about a fancy address. It's about the details, the flavors, and the story behind every bite. If you enjoyed this journey into Michelin-inspired cooking, subscribe for more recipes that bring elegance, creativity, and bold flavors into your home kitchen. Let me know in the comments, what Michelin dish should we recreate next?